How you can go from a starving artist to a successful artist? Well, first of all, you have to have the right mindset. Mindset is everything. I don't know if you have seen artists that you might say, "Oh, my art is better than that artist, and I have more talent than that artist." Well, that's the point. You can see some artists that you think have no talent, and actually they make lots of sales. So this is a great perspective to put this part of the mindset. I believe these artists have a great mindset and they know how to promote their art and themselves, and they don't really care about their art not being the best, but they are trying to put their work out there and show it to lots of people. So if you have seen people like this, start looking at what they do, because maybe their art is not as good, but they're selling a product and they know how to sell it. So they have the right mindset to start selling this. Okay, so you have to do this. You have to believe in your art. You have to know that it's a product that people want to buy, because your art is unique and it has its own language. Okay, so you have to start knowing how to communicate this language to people, how to start marketing this to other people. So if you want to know more about this, let me know and I'll make a video that goes deeper into this. But well, I'll go on to the next part, that is, you have to start sharing your art on social media and also by networking. So first of all, there's right now there's many platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and they have right now it's a great moment because you can go viral on any of these ones, and that's a great opportunity. I started my art career like as a professional artist in 2011 or 12, and that's when Instagram started, and the virality that you could get on those times wasn't the same as right now. So right now there's a great opportunity, and if you want me to talk more about this, also comment about and I'll make another video. And also networking is so good. It's like the old-fashioned way to get sales and to get collectors or people that are interested on your art. So for example, on this you can start going to expensive hotels. I try to say this because it's better to look for a market that actually has money, that one that does not have money. And well, you can go to these expensive hotels, maybe just go to the bar, sit there, drink water, tap water or whatever, but you're seated in a place that maybe you're gonna meet people with money, and then you can start talking to them and you invite them to your studio. And this is a great way to start getting sales. Then I want to talk about having different tiers, right? When I started uh, price tiers. When I started as an artist, I used to sell phone cases, and I was selling them maybe for about $15, $20. You can sell them for more, but that's a low tier. So many people are gonna be able to buy your phone cases, that merchandise, and that's gonna make you have a low tier. Then you can have maybe like prints or gicle prints, and you can go from $100, $300 for these, and for gicle prints, let's say $300, and you're gonna have another tier, and then you have your art, and this is gonna let you have different price points that people are gonna be able to buy from you. So let's say you have you're really young and you have lots of young friends, but they don't have a lot of money, right? So you can sell merchandise like phone cases or maybe stickers or that kind of price points. Then you have maybe your uncles, but your uncles and your parents' friends, or you know some other people, but maybe they are not that wealthy, or maybe they are, but you have prints, right? And you have Giclée prints, and then you have also uh, some originals, right? And your originals can go maybe from 1,000 up, right? I can tell you the first art piece I sold it for about $35, and it was on a gallery, and the gallery took a commission. It was 30%, so I actually got like $25 out of it, and it was so low. But nowadays I'm selling those drawings for about uh, maybe $1,000, right? And it was a really small drawing. But if I knew back then how I could start selling my art on a higher ticket, that would be great. But I don't know, that's part of the process. Sometimes you have to learn, right? And I also want to tell you on this video something that I think it's really important, that it's the financial advice, the best financial advice I can give you. This is literally magic, and this is, you have to, whenever you earn money after taxes, you, I recommend you do this. It's called this 6 jars. So you're gonna divide into 6 jars your money, right? So you have first you have your necessities, that is the 50% of what you want. Let's say after taxes you want $800, right? So 50% is gonna go for your necessities, food, your paying bills of water, electricity, your rent, all the necessities you have, right? That's the first part. Then you have another 50%. The first part you're gonna separate, a 10% is gonna be a financial freedom account. This is really important because this is gonna be the fuel that's gonna make you grow. So that 10% you can invest maybe like on materials, on ads, on crypto, on stocks, right? I don't know. You have to have 10% for investment, right? You don't spend it to go out. You don't spend it to whatsoever. You spend it for your own growth, something that's gonna make you grow or generate more money. Okay. Then you have the give account. Give account means you're gonna, maybe you find someone in need on the streets or somewhere, and you're gonna give 10%, so $80 to that person, or to a cause, right? You're gonna donate to animals somewhere in the planet that you want to donate to a foundation, right? Another part goes to your education, so $80 you're gonna separate. uh, that 10% is gonna go to maybe a course, a book. uh, you gotta invest on yourself. You gotta change your mindset. Remember this. This is really important. I think these three are the most important ones. Then you have long-term savings. That this is gonna be, let's say you want to buy a nice TV or a car or something like that. You're gonna save another 10%, right? So $80 go for that savings account. And then you have the play account. The play account is this account so that you can have fun. So the idea of this account is you spend all the money you earn on this account at the end of the month. Maybe, I don't know, it was a great month and you earn maybe $1,000 on that, or maybe more, $5,000 or whatever, and you're gonna go and spend it on a restaurant or whatever you want to do that it's fun to you, right? So if you follow these steps, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get more business, right? Because money is it's an energy. So if you treat money and you take care of it, you treat it well, you take care of it, it's gonna come more to you. Okay, so well, these are the different topics I wanted to talk. So it's mindset, then share your work on social media, have different fears on your art, and the financial advice. If you want me to go deeper into each one of these themes, let me know in the comment section. Or if you want to learn something else from me, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And that's it for today, and hope you have a great day. Bye bye.